Welcome back to the Thrifty Pilot, where we share tips and tricks for pilots flying on a budget. Today we're diving into a crucial topic for every aviator: how to safely navigate around different types of traffic in the sky. Whether it's hot air balloons, drones, blimps, UAVs, or military aircraft, knowing how to handle these encounters is vital for a safe flight.
As pilots, our primary responsibility is to ensure the safety of our flight. This starts with maintaining situational awareness at all times. Know your airspace, stay alert for other aircraft, and always be prepared to adjust your flight path if needed. Remember, the sky is a shared space, and effective navigation is key to avoiding conflicts.
Hot air balloons are a unique challenge. They're often found at lower altitudes and move slowly, making them somewhat predictable. When you spot balloons, give them plenty of space. Plan your altitude accordingly, and avoid flying directly above them, as they can ascend rapidly. Communication is also crucial. Many balloonists monitor aviation frequencies, so a friendly heads-up can go a long way.
Drones and UAVs are becoming more common, and they can be a real hazard. They often fly at lower altitudes, but don't let that fool you. They can still pose a risk. Stay informed about any drone activity in your area, especially near airports. When flying near known drone zones, keep your eyes peeled and be ready to take evasive action if necessary.
Blimps are less common but require special attention. They have limited maneuverability and typically operate at lower speeds. When you encounter a blimp, maintain a safe distance and avoid sudden movements. Understand their flight patterns and be mindful that they might not be able to change course quickly to avoid you.
Military aircraft can be intimidating due to their speed and agility. It's essential to respect military airspace and adhere to all restricted zones. If you're flying near a military area, make sure you're familiar with the schedules and zones to avoid. Communication is key. Stay in touch with air traffic control and follow their guidance closely.
Effective communication and coordination with air traffic control and other pilots can't be overstated. Always announce your intentions and listen for traffic updates. Use your radio effectively to ensure everyone knows where you are and where you're headed. This collaboration keeps our skies safer for everyone.
Navigating around other types of air traffic is all about vigilance, preparation, and communication. By following these guidelines, you can ensure a safe and enjoyable flight every time. Thanks for watching the Thrifty Pilot. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more aviation tips. Safe flying!